Pero coach, balikan ko lang yung dapat masaya ka bago ka umenter ng isa pang relasyon para
Yes.
madagdagan yung kasayahan mo. Pero paano naman yung mga taong, kunwari, from heartbreak sila, tapos sinalo sila ng someone? Parang parang
But yung tao yung iba, so
Parang
siya
ginawang-
yun. Siya yun. Joke.
para ba sakit, ginawang panakip butas.
Yung rebound.
Yes.
How would you say, is that wrong? In essence, or no?
I also said in one of my videos na hindi totoo yung 3-month rule. I don't think na may 3-month rule. Again, sabi ko nga, iba-iba tayo ng pacing, iba-iba tayo ng learning curves. May iba pagka-break pa lang, okay na ako. Kasi na, let go ko na eh. So, not necessarily mali or rebound lang yung, kung sino man yun, James. Sino man yun.
Kaibigan ko yun. Oy, na-shoutout na.
Pero yun, going back to your question, not necessarily, ay, rebound ko lang ito. Siguro at peace ka na talaga after that heartbreak or after that pain. So, kung tapos ka na dun sa relationship, and sana tapos na siya sa relationship, tapos na yung chapter na yun, para, kasi misconstrue nga talaga siya rebound eh. Para sabi siya ganun. But, again, personally, I think that there's no such thing as 1-month rule, 2-month rule, or 1-week rule. After a breakup, after a relationship, and you're okay, you can move on to the next.
And very clear lang dapat yung...
Yes, iklaro mo lang.
The closure is no
Now,
closure.
actually, gusto ko yan.
No closure.